There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
Something they worry do maybe my sweetie mango do maybe my baby do maybe my final yo do maybe my sweetie do maybe if do maybe no they do something.
Mama, say hi. Say hi. You're always doing guy. Eh? What are you writing? See your face. You're writing your assignment. Good girl. The mama is doing her assignment. Say hi. Cheese.
Something they do maybe. If do maybe no they worry something. Something they worry do maybe I send them to Sukulu, making life better. I don't know say na they are I go see ya why. Basic education for some more qualification. Waiting I go call this one na bad condition. Do maybe my baby do maybe my honey do maybe my sweetie do maybe if do maybe no they do something they do maybe if do maybe no they worry something they worry do maybe my village tomato do maybe my baby do maybe of your mango do maybe my sweetie do maybe if do maybe no they do something they do maybe if do maybe something they worry do maybe my dum do maybe my baby do maybe my sugar bottom do maybe my sweetie do maybe if do maybe no they do something they do maybe if do maybe no they worry something they worry do maybe
Now, wow, you must finish this purple, whether you like it or not. And that your cartoon, you have Coco Melon should not give me copyright. Are you hearing me? Yes. Lower it. Hello guys, welcome back again to our channel. I just realized that I haven't made a proper intro, like I didn't even do an introduction for this video. How you guys doing? You guys are welcome back again to our channel. So today is Saturday and you can see we are having our breakfast. I and Kasima, we are having our breakfast. He has gone to his shop. It's just I and Kasima left in the house, and today is going to be a busy one for me because I have a lot of things to do today. I'm still feeding Kasima. Once I'm done feeding Kasima, I'll bathe her and then force her to sleep so that I'll be able to do most of the things I have to do today, because I need to wash some of our dirty clothes, mop this house. I think I haven't mopped this house for like 2 weeks now. I don't know, NEPA has been treating us so bad for some days now, and water is not rushing. So I need to take care of that bathroom this morning, after which I will still make soup. Yes, I'll make soup today, and I want to cook ogbono soup. Today is weekend. I'm supposed to make soup and also fry stew, but I think I have small stew left in the freezer. That's what we are going to eat today. That's what we are going to manage for this weekend, tomorrow being Sunday and all of that. So by next week, I can now make stew for the house. I just pray God gives me the strength to achieve all these things, because this akamana that I just took now is just as if I took a sleeping tablet. I'm already feeling sleepy now. I just feel like to go and lie down and sleep. So you guys should enjoy the rest of the vlog. Pure water. Hey God, people should look at Kasima. Come! Kasima says she's a pure water seller. And look at what she's wearing. Look at her slippers. God forbid, is that your portion, my baby? You will never be a pure water hawker. Just look at it. I beg this girl, go and sleep. So this Kasimba, you guys, I begged her to go and sleep. She refused. I beg. Kasimba refused to sleep. Now she's selling pure water inside the house. You're hawking pure water. Say it's not your portion. Say it's not my portion. Look at me. Say it's not my portion. I beg, go, Joe. The pure water girl. Hey, I beg Kasima go and sleep so that I will concentrate and finish what I have to do today. This girl refused. You are here shining teeth, Abby. I'm not even through with washing. One more, eh? I need washing machine. Wallahi, I need washing machine. Had it been I have washing machine, maybe if I don't wash this clothes finish, I've been washing for almost 1 hour plus now. See my hands. Tell me how I will fix nail. But thank God I'm almost finished. I just to rinse and hang the clothes. And it's about to rain, self. I don't even understand the weather, self. Thank God I'm not hanging them outside. I will hang them with this hanger.
Life is a struggle. Every day by day na hustle. Makanaya be fire. Make food to enter belly. Money hard to get it. Now work and sweat it. Life is a struggle. Every day by day na hustle. Makanaya be fire. Make food to enter belly. Money hard to get it. Now walk and sweat it. Life is a struggle. Every day by day na hustle. food enter belle, money hard to get it. Now work and so